Hey everyone, it's Yasir. Digital marketing is a fast-paced world. What worked yesterday might not work tomorrow, but there's one thing consistently changing the game. Artificial intelligence. AI is already here, transforming how we reach our target audience. From crafting perfect ad copy to predicting customer needs, AI is your secret weapon. In this video, I'll show you how to use AI to boost your digital marketing strategy. Let's start with the basics. AI in digital marketing is like having a super smart assistant in your computer, crunching numbers and learning from data. It automates and optimizes your marketing tasks. AI analyzes massive amounts of data about your target audience, creating laser-focused campaigns. It tracks campaign performance in real time, making adjustments to maximize ROI. AI handles tedious tasks, freeing you to focus on developing winning strategies. Content is king, and in today's digital age it's more important than ever to produce engaging and relevant material. But creating high-quality content consistently can be tough. It requires time, effort, and creativity, which can be challenging to maintain. AI can be your secret weapon for content marketing, offering innovative solutions to streamline the process. Tools like ChatGPT and Jasper AI revolutionize writing by providing instant high-quality content. Imagine typing a topic and getting a well-written blog post in seconds. These tools save time and enhance productivity. AI-powered writing assistants generate catchy headlines and social media captions, making your content more engaging. AI also helps design stunning visuals with platforms like Canva, ensuring your content is visually appealing. AI handles the heavy lifting, allowing you to scale your content marketing efforts efficiently and effectively, reaching a wider audience. Personalization is key to standing out in a crowded digital space. In today's world, consumers expect brands to understand their needs and preferences. Manually tailoring messages to each customer was impossible until AI came along. AI simplifies this process, making it efficient and scalable. AI connects the right message with the right person at the right time. It ensures that marketing efforts are not wasted on uninterested audiences. It analyzes user data to understand preferences and predict their next move. This deep insight allows for more targeted and effective marketing strategies. AI tracks behavior, identifies interests, and recommends products. This leads to higher engagement and conversion rates. It personalizes email marketing campaigns based on past purchases and browsing history. Personalized emails have a higher open and click-through rate. Imagine receiving a discount code for your favorite coffee just when you need it. This level of personalization creates a strong bond between the brand and the consumer. That's the power of AI-driven personalization. It transforms marketing from a generic approach to a highly customized experience. Running paid ad campaigns can feel like throwing money into a black hole. Without the right strategy, it's easy to waste budget on ineffective ads. AI predicts which ads will perform best before spending $1. This means you can allocate your budget more efficiently and see better results. Platforms like Google Ads and Facebook Ads optimize campaigns in real time. They use machine learning to continuously improve ad performance. AI analyzes performance, identifies patterns, and makes adjustments to maximize ROI. This dynamic approach ensures your ads are always performing at their best. Google Ads Smart Bidding adjusts bids based on audience, time, and device. This precision targeting helps you reach the right people at the right time. AI targets the right audience, increasing conversion rates and reducing wasted ad spend. By focusing on the most promising prospects, you get more value from every dollar spent. Hindsight is 20/20, but what if you could anticipate future trends? Predictive analytics, powered by AI, gives you a competitive edge. AI predicts high-demand products and customer churn. Platforms like HubSpot and Salesforce provide actionable insights and predictive analytics. These tools analyze sales data, marketing campaigns, and customer interactions. Predictive analytics empowers you to be proactive, optimizing campaigns and mitigating risks. Customers expect instant gratification. AI-powered chatbots revolutionize customer engagement. Virtual assistants answer questions, guide users, and close deals around the clock. Chatbots provide instant support and improve customer satisfaction. They learn from interactions, becoming smarter and more efficient. Chatbots collect valuable customer data, helping you understand audience needs. They free up human reps to focus on complex issues, providing a seamless customer experience. AI isn't some far-off technology of the future. It's here now, transforming digital marketing. Embrace AI tools to work smarter, not harder. Achieve better results with less effort, focusing on building relationships and growing your business. The future is here and it's powered by AI. Start exploring today.